Welcome student. Today I will discuss about the nucleophilic substitution reaction of haloarine. We know that the nucleophilic substitution reaction of haloarine is very difficult in comparison to nucleophilic substitution reaction of haloalkane. Why? Due to presence of resonance in the benzene ring. Means haloarine gives nucleophilic substitution reaction in a strong and vigorous reaction condition. In strong and vigorous reaction condition, the haloarine give the nucleophilic substitution reaction. But here, why the reactivity of haloarine nucleophilic substitution reaction is very difficult in comparison to haloalkane? Number one, due to resonance. We know that haloarine benzene ring have resonating structure, so their stability will be more and their reactivity will be less. Okay. Now, in second condition, we know that the hybridization of the carbon atom in benzene ring is sp2, so the bond length between the carbon and halogen are smaller, and smaller bond length require more energy for the breaking, and the larger bond length require less energy for the breaking. Now, displacement reaction of the chlorine by the OH group. Displacement reaction of the Cl by the OH group. First of all, chlorobenzene react with the 6 to 8% sodium hydroxide in the presence of 633 Kelvin temperature, 300 bar pressure in the presence of acid as a catalyst. This process to gives phenol, means chlorobenzene react with the 6 to 8% sodium hydroxide solution in the presence of 633 Kelvin temperature, 300 bar pressure and the presence of acid H plus and to gives phenol. This process is known as Dow process. Okay. In this chemical reaction, Cl is displaced by the OH group. Now, O-nitrochlorobenzene react with the aqueous sodium hydroxide in the presence of 443 Kelvin temperature in the presence of H plus as a catalyst to gives orthonitrophenol. Same reaction, ortho and para dinitrochlorobenzene react with the dilute sodium hydroxide in the presence of 368 Kelvin temperature to gives ortho and para dinitrophenol. Okay. Now, in the fourth condition, 2,4,6-trinitrochlorobenzene react with the water, react with the atmospheric moisture in the presence of normal temperature 333 Kelvin temperature. It gives 2,4,6-trinitrophenol, which is also known as picric acid. Okay. Now, in the resonance we have seen clearly negative charge present on the ortho, para and ortho. If there are no NO2 group present in the benzene ring, so this chlorobenzene require a strong reaction condition like 633 Kelvin temperature and 300 bar pressure in the presence of acid as well as in the presence of reactant base. Now, at ortho place NO2 are present. The resonating structure is only two place, second ortho and para. Means in the first case resonating structure will be 3, 2 ortho and 1 para. So resonating structure will be more, the reaction condition will be strong. Okay. Now, in the second reaction, the resonating structure will be 2, only this ortho and para. So the reaction condition is decreased from the first reaction where 443 Kelvin temperature and aqueous sodium hydroxide solution in the presence of H plus to gives O-nitrophenol. When we use the reaction number 3, we know that ortho and para dinitrochlorobenzene, here the resonating structure of the negative ion, the resonating structure of the benzene ring is only 1 ortho. So the reaction condition is again weak. So 368 Kelvin temperature and presence of dilute sodium hydroxide to gives product. Now, when there are no any space where negative charge are moved, means 2 negative charge are moves on ortho and 1 negative charge are moves on para. So at ortho and para place NO2 group are present. So this reactant easily gives displacement reaction of the chlorine atom from the OH. So slowly if the resonating structure will be decreased, then their reactivity will be increased and their stability will be decreased. Okay, now we discuss about the electrophilic substitution reaction of haloarine. We know that electrophile means electron loving species, just like all positive charge are electron deficient neutral molecule which accept electron pair is known as electrophile. Electrophile means positively charged ion or neutral molecule which accept electron pair is known as electrophile. Now, according to resonance, we can say that the electrophile are combined from the benzene ring from ortho, para and ortho. Means halogen atoms are ortho para directing group. Yani halogen atom is ortho para directing group. Means second substituent combined with the benzene ring from the ortho place as well as para place. So halogen atom which are present in benzene ring are the ortho and para directing group. Now first of all reaction, electrophilic substitution reaction, halogenation of haloarine. Halogenation of haloarine in which we explain chlorination and bromination. Okay, now chlorination means Cl benzene ring react with the Cl2 in the presence of FeCl3 as a catalyst to gives Cl ortho place as well as para place plus Cl benzene ring and now Cl. Okay, means chlorobenzene react with the chlorine gas in the presence of FeCl3 catalyst to gives 1,2-dichlorobenzene and 1,4-dichlorobenzene. This is the electrophilic substitution reaction of the chlorine. Means halogenation of haloarine means chlorination of chlorobenzene to gives 1,2-dichlorobenzene and 1,4-dichlorobenzene. Now we can discuss about the bromination of the bromobenzene. Before explanation of the bromination of the bromobenzene, first of all we gives the basic knowledge about the halogenation of haloarine. First reactant must be haloarine and second reactant for the halogenation, second reactant are X2 in the presence of catalyst FeX3 and byproduct HX and main product dihaloarine. Okay, means first reactant chlorobenzene, second reactant dihalogen and presence of catalyst FeCl3 to gives dihaloarine means 1,2-dichlorobenzene and 1,4-dichlorobenzene. Now we discuss about the bromination of bromobenzene. Bromination of bromobenzene, here Br and benzene ring. Now we use Br2 in the presence of FeBr3 to gives Br ortho place as well as para place. Br and para place means NBr. Okay, so this is the chlorination of the chlorobenzene and that reaction is the bromination of bromobenzene. Now nitration of haloarine. First reactant haloarine, second reactant nitric acid, concentrate nitric acid. Okay, second reactant concentrate nitric acid and catalysts are used as a concentrate sulfuric acid, byproduct water and main product nitrohaloarine. For example, chlorine यानी chlorobenzene react with the nitric acid, concentrate nitric acid and concentrate sulfuric acid, in which nitric acid is the reactant and sulfuric acid is the catalyst. Now Cl and benzene ring, he means at ortho place NO2 plus at para place NO2. Cl and benzene ring para place NO2. Okay, तो 2 nitrochlorobenzene and 4 nitrochlorobenzene. Now we can discuss about the sulfonation of haloarine. First reactant of haloarine, second reactant concentrate sulfuric acid as a reactant and concentrate sulfuric acid as a catalyst to gives byproduct H2O and main product halobenzene sulfonic acid. For example, here chlorine Cl, benzene ring, take concentrate sulfuric acid H2SO4 and concentrate H2SO4. Now you can take just like H2S2O7 by pani, means water. Okay, to gives Cl, benzene ring at ortho place SO2, ortho place SO3H and at para place SO3H. Okay, this is the main product and byproduct is water, means minus H2O. Here byproduct minus H2O, here byproduct minus HCl and here byproduct minus HBr. Okay, now two reactions are remains which is known as Friedel-Crafts alkylation and Friedel-Crafts acylation. Friedel-Crafts alkylation and Friedel-Crafts acylation, this reaction will be discussed. Now student, at last reaction Friedel-Crafts alkylation and Friedel-Crafts acylation. For the Friedel-Crafts alkylation, first reactant haloarine, second reactant alkyl halide. Alkyl halide means like R and X. Catalyst aluminum chloride, and byproduct HX and main product is R and benzene ring. Same as Friedel-Crafts acylation. For the Friedel-Crafts acylation, first reactant haloarine, second reactant RCOCl R anhydride means RCO whole twice O, byproduct HCl oblique RCOOH and main product RCO benzene ring. During this chemical reaction, catalyst is also AlCl3 as a catalyst. Okay, as a catalyst. Now the reaction here Cl, benzene ring and react with the CS3Cl in the presence of AlCl3 minus HCl and CS3 plus Cl and CS3. Here also notify that X. Okay. Now for the fourth reaction and for fifth reaction, Cl, benzene ring plus RCOCl in the presence of AlCl3 minus HCl and Cl, COR plus Cl para place COR, means this is the 5 chemical reaction which is known as electrophilic substitution reaction. Number 1 halogenation, number 2 nitration, number 3 sulfonation, number 4 Friedel-Crafts alkylation and number 5 Friedel-Crafts acylation.